Hey everyone, today we are going to tackle a common problem that Outlook users face: send and receive errors. These errors can be frustrating and prevent you from accessing your mail. But don't worry, because I am going to walk you through several methods to fix this issue. Method 1: check your internet connection. The most common cause of send and receive errors is a faulty internet connection. How to troubleshoot your connection? First, turn off your router and wait for 15 seconds. Then, turn them back on. Second, try using your mobile hotspot. Method 2: disable Windows Firewall and antivirus temporarily. In some cases, Windows Firewall or your antivirus software can interfere with Outlook's ability to send and receive emails. To troubleshoot this, try disabling both temporarily. Open Control Panel and select Windows Defender Firewall. Now, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both private network settings and public network settings. Method 3: check for suspicious emails. Suspicious emails can sometimes trigger send and receive errors. To check for suspicious emails, open Outlook and check for any suspicious emails in your inbox. Delete any suspicious emails, including emails from unknown sender or emails with unusual attachments. Method 4: correct Outlook mail settings. Open Outlook and click on File. Click on Account Settings. Under the Account Settings window, click on Change. Now, click on More Settings and select Outgoing Server. Click the checkbox next to My Outgoing Server. Also select the checkbox next to Log on to the incoming server before sending mail. Restart your Outlook and see if you are able to send emails. If you are still facing the Outlook send and receive error, then move on to the next method. Method 5: clear out box and change server timeout. Follow this path: account settings, change, more settings, advanced. Under advanced, increase the server timeout slider based on your need. Method 6: run Outlook in safe mode. Running Outlook in safe mode can help to disable add-ons that may be causing send and receive errors. To run Outlook in safe mode, type outlook.exe space slash safe in the search box and press enter. For more information on how to fix Outlook send receive error, click on the link in description.